Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, Adam Unpacked. Today I am doing a unboxing, review, and testing of the top-rated USB powered air compressor on Amazon. It is the AstroAI tire inflator, a portable air compressor specifically designed for motorcycles and vehicles and whatnot. It comes with a USB-C power cable and a battery, and apparently this thing can pump up to 150 PSI tire. So let's have a look at this thing and see what it can do. So this is the unit I bought. Of course, I will leave the link down below, but 4.2 star rating out of almost 10,000 reviews. And so yeah, portable air compressor, digital dual valve display, and it's got an LED light on it as well. So I'll show you what it looks like out of the box. This is what it looks like out of the box. We got the AstroAI box, and this is your actual air compressor as well. So super handy, a little compact unit. It is, maybe twice the size of an iPhone in thickness. It's got a little fan on it, digital display, and yeah, these are the parts it comes with. Comes with some needles and stuff if you want to blow up a basketball, and then of course it comes with your valves for vehicles. Unfortunately, I currently actually have a flat tire on my motorcycle. I have now plugged the hole with a plug. So let's see if this little air compressor can actually blow it up. Let's go have a look. You can see there is the hole. I had a nail in there, pulled that out, popped the plug in, and yeah, let's connect our air compressor, I guess, and see how well this thing actually works. Got our air valve here, so let's take that off. Not the air valve, but the cap. So there, you got your valve stem. Pop the cap off is all you need to do. Now with the valve stem off, we should be able to connect our air line from our compressor. So we're just going to screw that on like so. Make sure you don't cross the threads. You're just going to screw that all the way in until it's snug. Currently, this tire is actually flat, as you can see down there, because of the nail, and I've recently plugged it. So yeah, let's just have that hanging here. We will then turn on the unit. So press and hold the power button for a couple seconds. The unit will power on. There we go. You can switch between modes here, guys. So if you hit this button here, it'll actually go between modes. But right now we're on motorcycle mode. You can go to ball mode if you're, playing a basketball or a soccer ball. I don't know what that's for. I guess random mode, back to a car mode. But yeah, we want motorcycle mode here is what we really want. And it's currently set at 45 PSI. I will change that down to 42 PSI. So you just set your PSI setting. We're going to go to 42. And then to fire this unit up, I think you just hit the power button. And the beauty of this little air compressor is, in theory, it should actually stop at 42 PSI. Let's test it out. Super quiet. You can see the PSI climbing. Well, guys, there you go. My unit stopped here at 41.5 PSI. So yeah, it actually works really well. It took roughly 5 minutes for this thing to inflate from 0 to 41.5 PSI. Not quite at 42, but you know what? Close enough. I have checked this with my physical gauge, my air gauge off my air compressor, and it is right on the money. So again, look at this little guy. It's the size of maybe 2 iPhones stacked on top of each other. Probably weighs the same as an iPhone 16 Pro. And you just connect your air cable over there onto your valve stem and yeah, disconnect it. Don't forget to put your valve stem cap back on, of course. And the good news is my plug that I did earlier is holding. So that's pretty slick. So yeah, guys, if you're interested, I will leave a link down below to the AstroAI portable car air pump. Runs on a USB-C charger, so you should be able to do a couple inflations before you have to recharge it. And so far, the product works really well. Guys, I love doing these reviews, just testing good quality, inexpensive products on Amazon that you can buy. And if you have a motorcycle or even a vehicle and you want peace of mind, and don't forget to pick one of these up for $25. I think that's peace of mind. I run a Honda Africa Twin adventure motorcycle. And yeah, there's the odd time you're going to have a puncture like I just had. Literally had a nail in my tire on one of my first rides of this year and came back, pulled the nail out, put a plug in and used my little portable air compressor. 5 minutes later, I'm back on the road. So definitely a very handy thing to have in your toolbox. And yeah, if you're interested, I'll have a link below. And until next time, cheers and looking forward to the next review.